The Cessna Caravan was first introduced nearly 3 decades ago, and it provides a solution to moderately adventurous owner pilots who want the freedom to get into and out of demanding airstrips. It looks like a pumped-up version of the small aircraft from its manufacturer, Kansas-based Cessna, on which a very large proportion of today's pilots, including myself, trained. This version, the Cessna Grand Caravan EX, has an upgraded turbine engine from Pratt & Whitney. Takeoffs need less than 1,400 feet of runway, and landings only a touch over 900 feet. But is this huge load hauler as stable and easy to fly as its much smaller cousins?